Alright, that one was me. Oh, God! I'm sorry. That was you? Oh, yeah. That was me. I passed gas. Oh, God. I'm sorry. I had to go. Alright? You know... Hi! Hi, Diane. Smoked cigarette that Zane gave you earlier? Oh, yeah. I smoked it. That was my 15th cigarette. Then I smoked another time. How many cigarettes you smoked? I smoked before I came here. I smoked 16. You alright? Yeah, I'm alright. Diane, you get severely nervous when you cough like that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I had a bad smoker's cough. Diane, no cigarettes. I'm good. I don't want any. You gave me one before. I don't need another one. The way I'm going, I don't think I need another one. All right. Diane, you okay? Yeah, I'm all right. Diane, do you need a nurse? No, I don't need a nurse to basket me. I will survive. Diane, the way you're going, I don't think you're surviving. Shut up, I'm alright. I want to get him started. Who? Timothy, about my funeral. Hey. You have Zoe? Of course I do. Ready to go? Mm-hmm. You alright? Chrissy's still passed out from earlier? Yeah. Oh my God. We better be going. Bye. Diane, no more smoking cigarettes. I'm not. I'm through for the day until tonight. Until later. I'm worried about your health and your lungs. My health? My lungs. My lungs. My lungs are alright. No, Diane. They seem to have some really bad stuff in it. It's just mucus. I'll be alright. Oh, Diane, take some cough medicine. Maybe it might help that cough. I am not sick. It's just from smoking all these years. Oh, but you better stop. I don't want you to be around. I don't want to go to your funeral. You're not going to be going to my funeral anytime soon. All right, bye. Bye, Diane. Diana, stop choking. Sorry, those cigarettes. My mother is still passed out? Yeah. I can't believe your mother is still passed out after my Aunt Sabrina sneezed like maybe 2 hours ago. Yeah. Love you. Love you too. Diana, I'm sorry. Those cigarettes. Then stop smoking. All right. I'll stop. Until later. I want you to stop, period. Shut up. All right, I'm shutting up. Hi, Harry. Hello. Hey. Hey, beautiful. Fiance. Hi, Austin. I smell marijuana once again. It's Austin. What? Never mind. All right. Hi. What's up? I want that shirt, babe. You're not having it. Why? It's my shirt, babe. I want it. You're not getting it. So keep dreaming, babe. Keep dreaming. Aww. That was not me. That was Lucinda. I know it was Lucinda. Alright, that one was me. Okay. Hi, Zach. Hi, Jenna. Hi, Jamie. Hi, Tim. Hey, babe, what's up? What's up? Diana, I'm sorry. Those cigarettes gotta clean my throat. To stop smoking when I have that problem. Shut up. All right. I'm sorry. Oh, God. I'm sorry. May I come in? First out, young man, I had to go. Elizabeth. You already pooped? No, I gotta go. I didn't poop. It's coming out. I gotta go. It's rap. I pooped myself. All right. You wipe my ass. Yeah. Is it bad? Is it runny? No. All right. Is it bad? No. All right. Can you check my hair? You're not going bald on top of your head. I'm not. No. All right, I thought I was. No. Stop aggravating me. All right. Hi, Brian. Hi. Hey, baby. Hey. Hi, it's Brian. I love you. I love you too. You know what, babe? That was amazing. You know what, babe? That was amazing. It was. Yeah. You were. You were great, too. Oh, Brian, seems like we got visitors. Huh? Oh, hi. Hi, Rochelle. Hi, Sierra. How are you guys? We're great. Michelle, babe, can you get off me? Yeah, sure. thank you for setting me up with Rochelle. She's amazing. So you love her? Yeah, she's amazing. I didn't know I was going to fall in love with her, and I did. She's an amazing woman, and I love her. Amazing girl. I'm glad you like her. I do. She's beautiful. Let's go, honey. Right with you, babe. Can't believe my ex-girlfriend's dating a girl. Well, hey, they make a cute couple, and she's all for you, so. That's why you set them up. Most likely I did. So I can have you. Good thinking there, Madison. You're welcome. You are Sierra free. Yes, I am. But I'm not Madison free. Thank you, Elizabeth, for wiping my ass. No problem. Thank you, Elizabeth, for wiping my ears. No problem. Can you check on Chrissy? I want to make sure she's breathing. All right. Anybody, go check on Chrissy. I gotta go. Mom, you still got the Mexican from earlier? Oh, yes, doing my system. Was that me? No, that was sitting on the toilet. All right. Bye, babe. Bye. Love you. Come on, bird legs. I'm coming. I hate when he calls me that. Love you. Love you too. Bye, Victoria. Not gonna start with my grandfather. No. Good. Elizabeth, you go check on Chrissy. All right. She's breathing. She's not breathing. Oh, God. Jamie, call the ambulance. What? Need love in my ear. Need love in my ear. I'm sorry. What? My mother's not breathing. No, don't listen to him. Your mother's breathing. I just checked on her. Timothy, why? I'm sorry. I thought my wife said she was not breathing. God, scared me half to death. I'm sorry, Francesca. I didn't mean to scare you like that. You almost gave me a heart attack. I'm sorry. God, I'm sorry. I won't do it again. Oh my God. Beloved, did you have to scream in my ear? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's fine. What happened? Timothy, what happened? He went to go, Elizabeth to go check on my mother. And he thought because she can't hear, so he thought she said she wasn't breathing. Oh, is she breathing? Go check on her. Mom, Dad, what? Oh, I'm sorry, Mom. You and Dad were kissing. I'm sorry. Babe, did I bite your lip? A little bit. I'm sorry. Rogel scared me. What do you want, baby? Mom, I'm bleeding. Where? Down there. You have your period. Have you had it before? Have you had it before? No. You got your period for the first time. Go put on a pad. But what is it? You're a woman now, okay? Okay. Go ask Hadley what it is. I know. Okay, baby. Do you have cramps? Mm-hmm. Just went to the bathroom and I found that was bleeding. It's nothing. We all get it. We all go through it. All women go through it. It's just a period. That's all. But you should know now it's going to come every month now. Oh, okay. So that's what it is? Yeah, baby, it's just a period. Do you have cramps? No, a little bit, but not as bad. All right. You're not going to ask to come lay with us, are you? No. Mom, I'm not like Hadley. I'm not going to ask. Even though I'm a little younger than Hadley, but... but I'm not going to ask to lay with my mom and dad. Dad has a funeral planning coming. I'm going to let that one slide for 1,000th time. Radell, Natalie, Horan. I am not planning my funeral. Oh, I thought you were. Baby, I know you don't feel good, but I am not planning my funeral, okay? You sure about that, Daddy? Radell. Okay. Go to your room, baby. Don't pester your father about that. Fine. Let me know how the funeral plans are coming, Dad. They're just joking with you, Niall. I know. Hi, Mom. Hi, Hadley. How was school today? It was good. I can't believe you start spring break soon. Woohoo! Yeah, good for you. Dad has the funeral plans coming. Natalie. My middle name's not Natalie. Sorry. It's gonna be aggravated. Hadley. Maria Horn. I am not planning my funeral. You got me? Yes, Daddy, I got you. Don't ask me again. Neither of your girls. Okay. Who started this whole crap? Madison saying that you're old, Daddy? I am not old. I'm 30 years old. I'm not over the hill like Timothy is. I'm not halfway out of the kicking the bucket soon. Oh, you're not like Timothy? No. At least I can still hear. And I don't need your mother to wipe my ass or change my diapers. Not yet. Go into your room, Hadley. God. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. How's the funeral planning? I'm gonna let that one slide. Raquel Olivia Horan. I am not planning my funeral. Who keeps telling your girls this? Madison. Right. Raquel, just go to your room. Hi, guys. Hi, Mom. So, Dad, how's the funeral coming? Who keeps telling you guys this, that I'm planning my funeral? Madison. Emma Julia Horan. I am not planning my funeral. Go to your room. Hi. Hey. Madison, can I have a quick talk to you? Can I have a quick talking to you? Yeah, sure, Dad. What's wrong? Are you telling your sisters that I'm planning my funeral soon? Madison! Daphne Horn, are you serious? I am not planning my funeral. Okay? Okay, it's just a joke, Dad. You're gonna keep hopping on it. Madison, I am not planning my funeral. You got me? Yes, Dad, I got you. Don't yell at me in front of my boyfriend. I can yell at you all I want, boyfriend or not. Madison Daphne Horn. I am not planning my funeral. Dad, is my middle name necessary? Yes, Madison, it is necessary. It is necessary. Daddy, is really Daphne Madison Horn really, really necessary? Yes, it is necessary. I'm sorry, Brian, about my dad using my middle name. I never knew your middle name was Daphne. Well, now you know. It's beautiful. Thanks. I love you. I love you too. See you tomorrow? Probably. Or I'll call you tonight. Yeah, I love you. Love you too. I love you. Love you too. I'll call you later. Yeah, I love you. Love you too. Just go. I love you. Love you too. Seriously, Dad, you gotta use my middle name. At least he thinks it's beautiful. Yeah, but you really have to use my name, my full entire name in front of my boyfriend? Well, that is your name, isn't it? Yeah, my full name is Madison Daphne Horn, but you didn't have to use it. Well, we gotta stop telling your sisters I'm planning my funeral soon. Dad, it's just a joke. You joke around all the time. Ow, sorry, Dad. You joke around with your friends all the time, so why can't our family have a little joke with you? Ow, my toe. Don't you start that either. Madison, just go to your room. I love you, Daddy. Love you too. Bye, Mom. Bye. Oh, Madison, yeah. This Sierra and Rochelle thing, they hit it off. Really? Yeah. They're going out. They went on their third date today, and I think they really, really like each other. They do? Yeah. Mom, they're so cute together. They're a cute couple. Well, bye. Bye. It's a good thing those funeral jokes stopped. Me love, it's not funny. I'm not planning my funeral anytime soon. I know you're not. I think girls just like to joke with you, babe. That's all. I love you. I love you too. So, Niall, when are you planning your funeral, babe? Me love, stop it. Knock it off. I'm not planning my funeral. Oh, you know what? It's okay. Mama's here. Oh, Elizabeth, I might poop again. You have to go again? Oh, yeah. Zane, can you do me a quick favor? What? You forgot Zoe again? Yes. Gorgeous. I'm sorry. Here's messed up. Sorry, I was sleeping on you. Yeah, I could go get her. I'll be back. Stop forgetting our daughter. I'm sorry. Thought I had her. Here. You keep forgetting her. I'm sorry. I don't mean to. I really don't mean to. Really don't mean to. How about when she's older, like a toddler? She's staying home, so I don't forget her again. I love you. Love you too. I love you. Love you too. You forgot Zoe again? Most likely I did. Why do you keep forgetting your daughter? I don't know. Or you forget her when she's a toddler? Like I said to Zane, she's staying home when she's a toddler. She's not coming with me. I only take her now because she's a baby. But when she turns a toddler, she's not coming with me. She's staying home. I love you. Love you too. Bye, gorgeous. Bye. Oh, Elizabeth, I gotta go. It's coming out. I have to poop again. All right, I gotta go. I want to make it. I don't want to poop myself. Elizabeth, can you wipe my ass? Yeah. You just pooped 2 hours ago, me love. What? Maybe he has to go again. Maybe. No, you're going down. No! Help me. Did you say Mama hold me? Yeah. Mama. Was he wet? No, he just wanted to be held. Hi. Hi. I love you. I love you too. Love you. Love you too. Noah, come on, knock it off. My mother's still passed out, really? God. Noah, come on. Bye, love you. Love you too. You dropped your bracelet. I always keep losing it. Do you go again, babe? I love you. Love you too. Bye. Love you. Love you too. I want that shirt, baby. You're not getting it. So keep dreaming, Skylar. It looks so hot on me. Exactly. That's why you're not getting it. I want it. You're not getting it. Keep asking. Please? No, Skylar. I love you. Let me tell. Thank you for the weed and the other thing. You're welcome. Love you. I want your shirt. You're not getting it, so stop asking. You want his shirt? His shirt is so cute. I want it. Skylar, it's not going to fit. It's going to fit me, but he doesn't want to give it to me.
Oh, thank you, Elizabeth, for wiping me. No problem. I made it.
Yeah, you made it.
Oh, thank you, Elizabeth. Was that me?
No, that was Lucinda on the toilet. Coming, ladies? Yeah, we're coming. Now, Liliana, leave him alone, all right? All right, I'm not going to say anything. Hi, guys. Hi, Liam. Hi, Bailey. Hi, Liliana. Hello.
Was that me?
No, that was Lucinda on the toilet. Oh, I wonder why she's not there. Yeah, she's on the toilet.
Oh, Elizabeth, I want to throw away my Speedo.
You already know the answer, so stop asking. All right, I'm doing one. Oh, I feel better now. All I feel is the fresh breeze. Mom, you won't feel the fresh breeze if you put clothes on. No, I'm not wearing those damn things. You know, I'm allergic. So, Lucinda, that's why you never wear clothes. You're allergic. Yeah, I'm allergic to clothes. I'm allergic to the fabric. Oh. That's why I never wear clothes. I'm allergic to them. I just want to be weird. No, I just don't wear clothes. With me. Come on, y'all. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on, y'all. Let's go, y'all. All right, guys, all here. Hi. Hi, Bridget. Oh, God, no. How are you doing? You doing all right? That's great. Smells like straight up poop in here. Oh, someone just pooped in the bathroom. Ow, Lucinda. Oh, Timothy. Lucinda. Ow, all right. But Bridget shouldn't be talking. It smells like a barnyard in here. Ow. Yeah, that smells like that too. It really does. Hi, Liam. Hi, baby. How are you, darling? Bridget, not your boyfriend. Ow. Hi, Bridget. Can I talk to you for a second? Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure, Liam, darling. Bridget. For the 1,000th time. I'm not your boyfriend. Ow! You don't like me, y'all. Never said didn't like you, but I have a girlfriend. And plus, I think me and Bailey are kind of engaged. Ow! You're engaged, we're married. And you're flirting with the farm girl. You're flirting with me, as usual. Ow! You don't like me. Bridget, I never said I didn't like you. I like you as a friend. Ow! You just don't like the way I smell. That too. Ow. But are we friends? Yes, Bridget, we're friends. I can take that as long as we're friends. I don't care about anything else. As long as we have a good friendship there, Liam, darling. Yeah, we do. All right. Do you mind if I flirt with you? No, but I have a girlfriend. Oh, that's fine. That's all right. I appreciate the boundaries. But, did you know that we're friends? Yes, Bridget, we're friends. All right. I'm gonna stand over here. Hi. How are you, Timothy, darling?
What? Bridget, you're mumbling.
She said, how are you?
Oh, I'm doing all right, Bridget.
Come on, y'all. Don't start your shenanigans.
And the pig follows the donkey. And the little piggy follows his mama. Then the other piggy follows their mama. The other piggy follows her mama. The other little ones follow and then the cow. The cow is the last one to follow. The pig always follows the donkey. It goes in order. Oh, excuse me.
I'm out in the mood for these animal shenanigans. Hope they don't stop now. I'm standing right here. Hope they don't stop again. Mom, I'm getting out of here. Bridget's a lunatic. I'll see you home, Dad. She's a lunatic. I agree. Oh, you with me? That was a big one. And I thought he... Ooh, Niall. Stop. Me love, I am not kissing you. I'm over here holding your hand. Me love, it's not me kissing you. Who is it then? Ah, it's Stinky. Niall, you have a visitor. A pink, big visitor. Daisy, get off of me. Your animals are in Francesca Niles' room. Oh, no! Oh, come on! Come on, y'all! Bridget, come and get your donkey off of me. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Not enough of your shenanigans. Come on, Bridget, get your pig off of me. Come on, Daisy, come on. And what is all that crying and screaming with all that ruckus? Your animals were making a ruckus. What happened? Well, what happened now? What is going on up in this joint, y'all? Who is all making all that ruckus? Your animals are one that causing a ruckus. My animals, what did they do now? First, your donkey kissed me. I thought it was my husband. And your pig was on my husband. Ow! The big one, I'm sorry. Then the little one sniffed my baby. Ow! Then bothered my cat. Ow! I'm sorry. Oh, baby, no, I'm so sorry. Sorry, Sassy. I'm very sorry about my animal shenanigans once again. I continue. Well, you all come back now you're here. Well, bye. Bye, Bridget. Take your animals with you. Come on. Love, take your animals. I am, Niall. Take your animals with you. Bridget, take your animals with you. I am. They're coming very slowly. Come on. Move your big boots. Let's go. Stinky, come on. You're slow down the bunch, y'all. Come on, piggies. Come on. Piggies, come on. There we go. I'm very, very sorry once again about my animal shenanigans, y'all. Thought they made a ruckus. It's all right. Bye, Bridget. Bye. You all come back now you're here. Well, bye. Bye. That girl. I love her, but she's annoying, Niall. Me love, I agree. She's very sweet, but she's annoying. I guess I'll be going in a few minutes, y'all. Why do you say love? Take your animals. Because I'd be nice to her, and I always mean to her. So I said, love, please take your animals. We should know you're my only love I love. I know. I love you. I love you too. There's that cute snort. Why? You do it so cutely. Bridget does it to be annoying. Why you say I do it cutely? Because you do. Stop. You do it so cute. Is that a French girl thing? No, I've always done it. But you do it so cutely. You're so cute. I love you, me love. Me love. What? I love you. I love you too. Well, you all come back now you're here. Well, bye. Bye, Bridget. Bye, Liam, darling. Bye. Come on, animals, let's go. I don't want Jamie's house to smell like a barnyard. It really does smell like a barnyard. Come on, let's go, Neil. Come on, trot along. Trot, come on. Come on, okay. One animal, damn. Stinky, come on, you're holding up the line. Come on, Daisy. Move your big pink butt. Piggies, let's go. Mama's already gone. Well, you all come back now you're here. Well, bye. Bye, Bridget. Why is that girl so annoying? I don't know. Let's go. She's a loon. Bye, guys. Bye, Liam. What is wrong with her? I don't know. Dad, I have a quick question for you. What's your question, Liliana? Why is Bridget so loony with her farm animals? I don't know.
Oh, Elizabeth, I'm soaking wet.
You are?
Oh, yeah, I'm wet. I wet myself. Can you change my diaper?
Yeah.
I'm wet.
All right, I'll change you.
I'm soaked.
You're soaked?
Oh, yeah, I'm soaking wet.
All right, I'll change you. Me love, stop laughing. Me love, stop laughing. I can't, it's funny. I'm soaked.
Elizabeth, I'm soaked.
All right, I'll change you.
I'm wet.
All right.
My diaper's sagging.
All right. I love you, Rochelle. I love you too. I love you. I love you too. Rochelle, what? You're beautiful. Thank you. So are you. Love you. Love you too.
Oh, excuse me.
Timothy.
I'm sorry. I'm nice and cozy and dry now. Thank you, Elizabeth.
Oh, Timothy, that stinks.
I'm sorry, Lance, I did in the bathroom. Thank you, Elizabeth, for changing me.
No problem. She left you in a wet diaper.
What did you say?
Nothing. Lucky. Good thing you can't hear.
Oh, no, I can't. Oh, excuse me.
Oh, God.
Oh,
God, Timothy.
I'm sorry.
All right, guys. That was Tim and Jamie. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have we done so? For once again, I'm Tim. And I'm Jamie. Thank you guys for watching. And have a great day.
Oh, excuse me, son. I'm sorry.
Dad, every time.
I haven't done it in a while.
Alright, for once again, I'm Tim, and I'm Jamie. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, have we done so. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you get notified every time we post a video. For once again, I'm Tim, and I'm Jamie. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.